How to change payment account Google Play Store 2023. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to change payment account Google Play Store 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Play Store right here. So let's click on Play Store. Then from in there you can see your profile icon. So just click on that. So let's click on that. And then from in there you can see a lot of settings right here. What you need to click on is this payments and subscriptions. Then from in there you can see this payment methods. So click on that. And then from in there you can see your payment method, which is on this country specifically. So if you want to change your payment account, what you need to do is just click on this more payment settings. And then this will open a browser on your device, which will head you over to the payments.google.com. And as you can see, this is my payment center. So if I want to add a payment method, I can just click on it. But since I want to change a payment account, what I need to do is just click on these three lines right here. And then from in here, you can see all of this payment method and all of that and all of that. So just click on addresses right here. Then from in here, you can add a new address that you want to add on your payments account. So after you have added the address, what you can do is just click on the three lines again, click on settings, and then this will open the settings. So in here, you can see your payments profile, which is right here. So if you want to add another one, as you can see, this is mine. So I can add another payment account. So in order to do that, what I need to do is just head over to the payments profile right here, and I can change the country or region, account type, the name and address and all of that. Then I can also click on this, and then this will expand all of the payments profile that I have. Since I've already created another payment profile, I will change this one into this one, which is the United States. So I can just click on this, and then this will reload, and actually it will save the account for me. So after you have verified yourself that it is you, then you can now proceed to use your payment account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change payment account Google Play Store. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.